Hello friends, how are you? I hope all are doing well. Welcome to my channel Sports Lover. Today we are know about today's match and also dream fantasy teams of head to head and Grand League. If you like explain please like and subscribe. MEVS RCB prediction. Dream 11 fantasy cricket tips playing 11. Pitch report and injury update IPL 2020. Match 48. This will be an intense battle as both the teams eye for a spot in the top 2 to stand an additional chance in the playoffs. Match details. The 48th match of the Indian Premier League IPL 2020 will be played between Mumbai Indians and Royal Challengers Bangalore at the Sheikh Zayed Stadium in Abu Dhabi. This game is scheduled to start at 7:30 p.m. IST, 6 p.m. local time, 2 p.m. coordinated universal time. The game will be telecasted on the Star Sports network available in English, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada and Bengali. Also, live streaming will be available on Disney Plus Hotstar. Preview. It was after the defeat against the Royal Challengers Bangalore (RCB) in the Super Over earlier in the tournament that the Mumbai Indians have really come into their zone. After that heartbreaking loss, went on to register 5 consecutive wins before the Super Over bug bit them again. The game went into the second Super Over against the Kings 11 Punjab KXIP, but couldn't get over the line. They bounced back after that loss win a win against the Chennai Super Kings, CSK, but lost their last against Rajasthan Royals, RR courtesy a Ben Stokes special. MI's opponents for this game, RCB, also do not have the winning momentum on their side. The team lost their last game against CSK by 8 wickets. At this stage, both and RCB have got 7 wins from 11 games. Thus, these two are essentially fighting it out for a spot in the top 2. Both of them will be eager to get over the line and give themselves a second chance in the playoffs. Hence, this should be a highly competitive battle. MEVS RCB weather report for match 48. The weather conditions are quite better now compared to what they were in the UAE a few weeks ago. The temperature will be around 29 degrees Celsius and the humidity levels will remain nearly constant throughout the game. Pitch condition report. In the last 2 games at this venue, the pitch has seemed to be great for batting. In 3 of the 4 innings, scores in excess of 190 were put up on the board. The ball is coming onto the bat much better while there is a decent amount of support for the spinners and pacers. Average first innings score, 162, thus far at this venue in this tournament. Record of chasing teams, won 9, lost 6, tied 1. Injury and availability news. Rohit Sharma has injured his hamstring and might miss this game as well. MEVS RCB today's probable playing size, Mumbai Indians. Quinton de Kock weak. Ishan Kishan, Suryakumar Yadav, Saurabh Tiwari, Hardik Pandya, Kieron Pollard, Krunal Pandya, Rahul Chahar, Trent Bolt, Jasprit Bumrah, James Pattinson, bench, Saurabh Tiwari, Dhaval Kulkarni, Jayant Yadav, Chris Lynn, Shafane Rutherford, Anukul Roy, Prince Balwant Rai Singh, Mitchell McLeanagan, Mohsin Khan, Anmolpreet Singh, Aditya Tare, Digvijay Deshmukh, Nathan Coulter-Nile, Royal Challengers Bangalore, Devdutt Padikkal, Aaron Finch, Virat Kohli, AB de Villiers weak, Moeen Ali, Gurkirat Singh Mann, Washington Sundar, Chris Morris, Navdeep Saini, Umesh Yadav, Yuzvendra Chahal, Muhammad Siraj, bench, Isuru Udana, Pawan Negi, Adam Zampa, Pawan Deshpande, Josh Philippe, Shahbaz Ahmed, Navdeep Saini, Umesh Yadav, Dale Steyn, Parthiv Patel, Shahbaz Ahmed, Shivam Dube, MEVS RCB top picks for today's Dream 11 match. In 11 matches, Quinton de Kock mustered 374 runs at an average of 42 and has also been good behind the stumps. Virat Kohli scored 415 runs in 11 matches at an average of 59. He also registered 3 half-centuries. Chris Morris picked up 10 wickets in 6 matches and has got a brilliant economy rate of 5.74. Suryakumar Yadav mustered 283 runs in 10 innings and has got a strike rate of 149. In the 3 innings that he batted, Saurabh Tiwari looked impressive and scored 97 runs at a strike rate of 141. Hardik Pandya played a brilliant knock in the last match where he raced his way to 60 off only 21 balls. Jasprit Bumrah picked up 17 wickets in 11 matches and has got an economy rate of 7.52. Captain and vice-captain selection. Captain options Quinton de Kock, Virat Kohli. Vice-captain options Chris Morris, Suryakumar Yadav. Suggested playing 11 number 1 for MEVS RCB Dream 11 Fantasy Cricket, this for head-to-head. Keeper Quinton de Kock, AB de Villiers. Batters Suryakumar Yadav, Saurabh Tiwari, Devdutt Padikkal, Virat Kohli. All-rounders Krunal Pandya, Chris Morris, VC. Bowlers Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Siraj, Yuzvendra Chahal. Suggested playing 11 number 2 for me vs RCB Dream 11 Fantasy Cricket. This is for Grand League. Keeper Ishan Kishan, Quinton de Kock. Batters Hardik Pandya, Suryakumar Yadav, VC Aaron Finch, Virat Kohli, C. All-rounders Washington Sundar, Chris Morris. Bowlers Jasprit Bumrah, Trent Bolt, Yuzvendra Chahal. Expert advice. Suryakumar Yadav is a game changer if he gets going and can turn the game on its head. He has got the starts but failed to convert them in this season. The right-hander could make it big in this match. Today's Me vs RCB probable winners. Mumbai Indians are expected to win this match.